Nagasaki Champon is a vibrant noodle dish made with ramen noodles topped with pork, seafood and medley of vegetables served in a rich and milky broth. This recipe is a shortcut version inspired by the famous champon chain, Ringerhut. Let's get started. First, heat a wok over medium and melt 1 teaspoon of lard. The lard has a sweet, fatty quality that adds deeper flavour to the dish, but you could swap it for butter or cooking oil if you prefer. Once it's melted, add 8 shrimp and 100 grams of thinly sliced pork belly. Season those with a pinch of salt and pepper and fry until they're lightly browned. Next, add 8 slices of kamaboko fish cake, quarter of a thinly sliced onion, 100 grams of bean sprouts, 50 grams of roughly chopped cabbage, 20 grams of carrot, and a few tablespoons of canned sweet corn. We're just gonna stir fry everything together until the cabbage is slightly softened and the shrimp and pork are cooked through. I personally prefer my vegetables to have a bit of crunch, so I'm only gonna cook them lightly. Nagasaki Champon contains more vegetables than usual ramen, but you can omit or substitute some according to your tastes. Mushrooms, green beans and even ham have been included in the version served at Ringerhut. Once everything is cooked to your liking, take the wok off the heat and set aside for later. Next, we're going to make the shortcut version of the champon soup. Take a saucepan and add 400 ml of dashi stock, half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Heat on medium and mix it well to evenly disperse the ingredients throughout the soup. Nagasaki Champon was created in Nagasaki City during the mid-Meiji period, which is roughly around the late 19th century. It began as an affordable meal for exchange students before becoming the city's beloved soul food. The word champon means mixture of different things, and it represents the fact that champon dish contains many different kinds of vegetables and meats. Once it's hot and almost bubbling, add 1 tablespoon of Chinese-style bouillon powder and mix it until dissolved. Finally, turn off the heat and add 100 ml of whole milk. Taking off the heat at this point will prevent it from curdling. You can reheat it right before serving if necessary, just don't let it boil. Finally, we're going to boil ramen noodles. If you have multiple burners, you can cook the noodles and broth at the same time. Make sure the water is rapidly boiling before adding the noodles and cook them for the time stated on the packaging. If you're interested in making your own ramen noodles from scratch, I have a recipe on my channel. Champon typically uses slightly thicker ramen noodles. Drain the noodles and place them in serving bowls. Pour the soup over the noodles and top with the stir-fried ingredients from earlier. Finally, sprinkle the top with white pepper and that's it. Delicious shortcut Ringerhut style Nagasaki Champon at home. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want the written printable recipe, you can find it on my blog. I've put the link on the screen. And if you're interested in more ramen videos, check out the ramen playlist on the screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.